Alright, I'm making this video because I couldn't find one on YouTube. But it's basically, I'm replacing the rear right brake on my Suzuki SX4 2012. And I ran across this emergency brake cable. And I was trying to figure out how to get it off, but what I found is the easiest way is to basically grab this pin, this spring rather, with a pair of pliers, and pull it off to the side. Watch it bounce. And put that off to the side. And basically, you're pushing back on this lever. You're lifting up on that cable, and that's going to release that. And then you got like this tension lever. I just gave it a quick couple smacks with a hammer. I got my pliers, and then I was work that out. So that's there. And then this should pop out relatively easy. I did loosen that nut quite a bit, but maybe I gotta do it a couple more times. Make sure you put enough WD-40 on here so that boot swings around. Go. And there, it's free. Alright, and then to get it back in, basically just slide it in here, and then a little jockeying. There we go. It just kind of locks into place just like that, so it sits nice and firm. And then on this side, just basically push this lever back. Then you slide that right back on. Let's get the spring. So the bottom part of the spring is going to sit right there. And then we just got to move this back up. And there, snaps back in place. E-brake all automatically set in. And then make sure everything looks good. And I will put that right back on. Boom. Next, gonna bleed the brakes.